But like literally this looks like every other look that I do. Does it not? Am I the one? Okay, now I'm gonna go with it. Oh, let's make sure it's raised. Hey guys, so today I am filming a Valentine's Day halo kind of look. It's so simple and I love doing this look because it's so easy to do, but it looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to be notified when I update. And before we get into this video, I hope you guys do notice that I got a new lens and it's on right now. I really like how it looks. I'm looking at it right now on the viewfinder. I honestly couldn't take my eyes off of it like the whole time I was videoing because I just really love how it blurs the background, but it really focuses in on me. And as you can tell, I can now kind of zoom in on things like I'll show you right now. Look at that, it's so in focus. I just really love this lens, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have 3 palettes that I'm going to be going in between, and it's Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, the Modern Renaissance palette. This was like the first palette I ever got, and it is such a good palette. Like, that's the first palette you need to buy, or like the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I'm also going to be using today. Going in with the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to take this Peaches and Cream color. It's that color right there, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid, just kind of as the base color. Then I'm going to go in with these 2 transition colors, and I'm just going to mix them together and put them on my outer V area, and then pull it into my inner corner too, because this is going to be more of a halo eye, so I really want it to be very mixed in to both sides. Next, I'm going to go in with One Fresco. I'm going to kind of dot that right there and dot it right there, and then just blend it out. It's a really pinky, like, nude right now, and you could stop here, but I kind of want it to be like more intense. I went in with the Morphe M441 brush. Then I'm going to go in with this color. Oh gosh, where is it? Right there. And I'm going to lightly just kind of tap that into those outer points, just like I did with the other color. And I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go in with this Georgia color just to kind of blend that out. And I'm taking that same M441 brush that I've used on like the past other 2 colors. This isn't really going to do anything, but I did want to use a lighter color to kind of blend everything out and make sure that we're still blended and looking great. I'm going to go in with Love Letter. It's this color right here. This color is like extremely pink, so I go in with like the littlest bit, and this is just like a Kylie brush. I have no idea what brush this is, but it's just a pointed brush. So I'm hoping that it'll work good. Some of Kylie's brushes like are not really that good, but I'm hoping this one will work well. Then we're going to go back in with that M441 brush and just like blend it all out, because I literally just use that brush just to pack it down to get more of like a precise place to put it. But then I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this dark brown color. It's called Cypress Umber. I don't know, but like I'm not going to go very heavy-handed into this because it can get ugly really fast. So I'm going to like very carefully put this color in the same place I put that pink color, but don't get crazy with it. Okay, and I lost a lot of the pink when I put that brown on top of it, so I'm going to go back in with that color and just pile some more on top of it just to kind of bring back out that color. And then of course just blending it back out, that same M441 brush. Okay, now we're done with all of those crease shades and everything, and now we're on to glitter. Now I'm going to go in with this middle pink glitter shade. It's a really pretty color. I'm going to see like how it does without spraying it. I hope I don't have to spray it, but I might have to. Yeah, I need to spray that. And you can literally spray it with anything you have, like I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray, but you can use like Max Fix Plus, any like setting spray, whatever. I'm just going to pack some more of it on with that Morphe G20 brush. I don't even know if I showed you guys, but it's just literally a flat brush to pack on glitter. I did a lot better. Okay, I feel like I want a lighter kind of color on top of it, so I'm going to go in with that lighter pink. Give it a little something, something, I hope. It looks really not blended, but we're going to go in with the Morphe M441 brush that we literally blended everything with. And we're just going to like blend those colors into each other. I don't have like anything on it like besides what I already had on it. And I'm just going to blend that out. And if you like lose some of that color, like the glitter pop that you want, you can just go back in with those glitter shades and put it more like towards the middle of where that glitter is. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with that dark brown and that dark pink. And I'm going to mix those two together, not being very heavy-handed at all. And I'm just going to do that on my lower lash line. And I don't want it to be like too intense, so that's all I'm going to do with the lower lash line. But I am going to take my Face Secrets Duo Shadow Brush. I'm going to dip into these two glitter colors. It's Vermeer and Primavera. Take Spanish, 1 and 2. I'm going to mix those together and put that on my inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with this like pale shade. It's called Tempera. And I'm going to just pop this under my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting on lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in 11. They're just like little wispy lashes. They're like my favorite lashes from Kiss. I also really like the wispies from Ardell. Those are really good too. But they were out of it when I went to the store the other day. I think I went to Walmart. They didn't have it. But they do have it at Ulta, Walmart, Sally's, any place like that. And then I'm going to use the Duo Eyelash Adhesive Glue. But this is the white. I'm just going to apply these. And I'm going to apply them with just like the Kiss. What are these called? The Kiss. These little things. The Kiss one that comes in the package with it. And while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But that makes such a difference. Maybe I'm the only one, but it makes a difference. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Sugar Mama. I just really love this lipstick. Like, I feel like this lipstick works with any look because it's like the perfect nude. And first I'm going to go in with my Kylie Lip Kit Candy K Lip Liner. I love this lip liner and it goes so perfect with this color. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to be notified when I update. So that's it, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.